Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of soggy oven pizzas or grills that can't get hot enough for that crispy crust and you dream of authentic wood-fired style pies in your backyard without the hassle of actual wood, then get excited because today we're firing up a game changer that's making pro-level pizza accessible to everyone. I'm talking about the Ooni Koda 16 gas pizza oven. This portable propane powerhouse heats to 932 degrees Fahrenheit to cook 16-inch Neapolitan pizzas in 60 seconds with perfect leopard spotting and bubbly cheese. And it's designed for easy setup with foldable legs for storage. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description and trust me, it's going to make your pizza parties, family dinners and weekend cooks faster, tastier and more fun without the mess of charcoal or long preheats. Let's dive in and see why this oven is sizzling in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the Ooni Koda 16 gas pizza oven. This isn't your basic grill, it's Ooni's gas-powered outdoor pizza oven designed for high heat performance with a compact L-shaped burner that distributes flame evenly for consistent cooking. It connects to standard propane tanks for instant ignition, reaching up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes. Perfect for 16-inch pizzas with that signature char and tender dough. The oven has a durable, powder-coated steel body that's weather-resistant, with a cordiorite stone baking board for crisp crusts and heat retention. The wide opening makes launching and turning pies simple with any peel. And the foldable legs make it portable at about 40 pounds, ideal for patios, camping, or tailgates. It includes a gas regulator and hose, and the flame roller lets you adjust heat intensity for different styles. Dimensions are about 25 inches deep by 23 inches wide by 14 inches high when folded, expanding for use. Setup is a breeze. Unfold legs, connect propane, light with the ignition knob, preheat and cook. Priced around $599, it's a premium yet affordable option for serious pizza making with restaurant results. Versatility is huge. Beyond pizza, sear steaks for juicy tenderness, roast veggies for charred flavour, or bake flatbreads for quick appetizers. The gas fuel makes it clean and consistent, great for experimenting with doughs or toppings without fuel management. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are massive. The rapid heat up and 60-second cooks mean endless pizzas without waiting. Gas power is easy and clean with no ash. The portable design is sturdy for travel, and users love the even flame that gives pro char every time. It's beginner-friendly with no assembly, the stone delivers crisp results, and recovery is quick for multiple pies. The price offers value for the speed, and cleanup is simple with a brush. But no oven's perfect. The main con is the gas-only fuel. No wood smoke flavour. It's pricey at $599 for casual users. The stone can crack if mishandled, and while portable, the propane tank adds weight. Overall, pros dominate for pizza enthusiasts. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Ooni Koda 16 gas pizza oven if you want fast, flavourful pizzas outdoors. The pros like quick cooks, even heat, and portability make total sense for backyard hosts, campers, or flavour chasers. It's not just an oven, it's your shortcut to gourmet pies. Before we wrap, if these reviews fire you up, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.